Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Time. A wonderful day to everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy's Styles. I want you guys to please flaunt this natural black haircut, because these hairstyles today, they're going to complement your face shape. So if you have the oval face, the square face, the round face, this haircut is for you because it's a haircut for all face shape, and this style is achieved using the best of called enhancers cream like the dogs. The dogs will give you those beautiful haircuts, and the dogs cost for about $15. So you can order online, or you can also ask any shop around you if you can get it in any supermarket, or you can also order online or check through my links on how you can get the dogs. And the dogs is a great hair care cream that can give you the best of shine and moisturizing hair you really want. So for maintenance, short haircuts for black women must always be hydrated, or you can moisturize it for you to have that headier looking finish. Okay, so you can see the styles today, they are really the best way for you to flatter your face, and is one of the cute haircuts that will always make you look beautiful, and is a cut that will take many years off your age. So you can see, so you're luckier than most, like if you really have that naturally dense cut, because when you go to the salon, just ask for this kind of hairstyle, because it's a wash and go style that allows your natural curl pattern to shine. Okay, so these are beautiful haircuts that will really complement your face shape. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. I appreciate everyone, my beautiful subscribers. God bless you guys, and stay look for more beautiful short hairstyles coming your way. Bye for now.
Until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. Until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I'm known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. Until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. Until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. Until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue